Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a DIY deep condition. First you will need a ripe banana, blackstrap molasses, Jamaica black Jamaican castor oil, grapeseed oil. In this case I'm using grapeseed oil, but you can use any carrier oil of your choice. And I'll be also using water, purified water. And guys, banana is very good for your hair. Banana contains silica, a mineral element that helps your body to synthesize collagen and make your hair stronger and thicker. Banana also have antimicrobial properties that can help ease flakiness and dry scalp, relieving dandruff symptoms. Blackstrap molasses is chock full with minerals and nutrients. Its high copper content helps the body to produce melanin, the pigment responsible for hair color. Those same nutrients help nourishes and strengthen the hair strands. This also works as a natural deep conditioner that helps make your hair silkier, shinier, and smoother. The natural dark color of the molasses can help stop graying. Jamaica black Jamaican castor oil works for all hair types. It will moisturize, thickens, strengthens, and rapidly increase hair growth. It increases blood flow to the scalp, supporting valuable nutrients to your hair follicles. Jamaican black castor oil will also prevent breakage, dandruff, eczema, and dry, itchy scalp. One of the primary benefits of grapeseed oil is that it works as a natural sealant to keep moisture in the hair follicle. The goal is to prevent hair from getting dry and crunchy, which decreases the chance of breakage. Grapeseed oil is quickly absorbed, making it a go-to natural moisturizer. At this moment, I'm putting it into my NutriBullet, and I'm gonna blend until it becomes real creamy and thick. It is so thick, so I'm shaking it to get everything mixed together properly, so I can blend everything to a complete mixture. So it's in my NutriBullet, blending. Um, and here you have it, guys, the finished mixture. So thick and creamy. Look at the consistency. So at this moment it's ready to be applied to the client's hair. So I'm washing the client's hair with the almond milk shampoo